10 money habits that make you rich. Most people work their entire lives and retire with almost nothing. But a small percentage of people, often starting from the exact same position, become wealthy before they even hit 40. The difference? It is not luck. It is not talent. It is not even income. It is habits. In this video, we are breaking down the 10 money habits that separate the wealthy from the broke and how you can start building them today. Every wealthy person has a system, a set of daily decisions that quietly compound over years into something extraordinary. The problem is, nobody teaches these habits in school. Nobody hands you a blueprint. So today that changes. Here are the 10 money habits that the rich practice and the broke ignore. Habit number 1, pay yourself first. The moment money enters your account, send a fixed percentage, at minimum 20%, directly to a savings or investment account before paying a single bill. Most people save what is left over after spending. Wealthy people spend what is left over after saving. That one mental shift is worth a fortune over 10 years. Habit 2, track every dollar. Wealthy people know exactly where their money goes. Not roughly, exactly. Use an app like a NAB, Mint, or even a simple spreadsheet. When you track spending, you eliminate unconscious leaks. The subscriptions you forgot, the food delivery habit costing $400 a month, the impulse buys that evaporate your paycheck. Visual B-roll, spreadsheet, budgeting app, calculator on desk. Habit number 3, invest before you feel ready. The biggest investing mistake is waiting. Waiting until you have more money. Waiting until you understand the market better. Waiting until the time feels right. The time never feels right. Start with whatever you have, even $50 a month, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. A 25-year-old who invests $200 a month will have more than $500,000 by retirement at average market returns. Habit number 4, build multiple income streams. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. Not 1, 7. That could be a salary, rental income, dividends, a side business, affiliate income, royalties, and freelance work. The goal is not to do all of these at once. The goal is to add one new stream every year until your income is diversified and resilient. Habit number 5, avoid lifestyle inflation. Every time income goes up, expenses should stay flat or grow only slightly. This is called avoiding lifestyle inflation. Most people get raised and immediately upgrade their car, apartment, and wardrobe. Wealthy people bank the difference. Drive the same car for an extra 2 years. Live below your means while your net worth explodes. Habit number 6, read and learn constantly. CEOs and billionaires are famously obsessive readers. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. This is not a coincidence. Knowledge compounds just like money does. Read one finance book a month, and in 3 years, you'll know more about wealth building than 95% of the population. Habit number 7, protect your credit score. A high credit score is a superpower. It means lower interest rates on loans, better mortgage terms, and access to capital when opportunities arise. Pay every bill on time. Keep credit utilization below 30%. Never close old accounts. Monitor your score monthly. This is a free tool that can save you hundreds of thousands over a lifetime. Habit number 8, say no to bad debt. There are 2 types of debt: debt that makes you richer and debt that makes you poorer. A mortgage on appreciating property, good debt. A car loan on a depreciating asset, bad debt. A credit card balance charging 25% interest, devastating. Eliminate high-interest debt as fast as possible and never borrow money to buy something that loses value. Habit number 9, automate everything. Willpower is unreliable. Systems are not. Automate your savings contributions, your investment deposits, your bill payments. When the right financial behaviors happen automatically, you remove the human error of forgetting, procrastinating, or making emotional decisions. Set it up once and let the machine build your wealth. Habit number 10, surround yourself with winners. The 5 people you spend the most time with will determine your financial future. People who complain about money, make impulsive purchases, and avoid investing will drag you toward their level. People who discuss opportunities, invest consistently, and think long-term will pull you upward. This is not about being elitist. It is about being intentional with your circle. There it is, the 10 money habits that separate the wealthy from the broke. None of them require luck. None of them require a massive salary. They only require consistency. Start with just one today. Just one. And if this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe to Wealth Forge. Because every week, this channel breaks down the strategies the wealthy use so anyone can build real financial freedom.